Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing, and we did Charleston stuff. And it's like kind of like Charleston stuff that's based on basic Charleston. We did this, and this is your basic Charleston. Then we did these push-outs. You could turn all the way around. Boop-a-doo-boop. Then we did slides, and then you could stack it. Push and slide. So we did that. Then we did this little practice of putting your rock steps wherever. So you have either back. So this is back. You have sides. And you could also do it to the front. You could also do fancy stuff like this if you want. And then we worked on Savoy Charleston a little bit. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we did this little hopscotch thing that's really fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what we did.